Welcome to our electrical engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download notes, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website is specially designed for electrical and electronics engineering students. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. So solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now as we can see here, let's take different color. Here this node and this node is same, and this node and this node is same, and this node and this node, they are same. So here we can see this 2 ohm is in parallel with this 2 ohm, and this 2 ohm is in parallel with this 2 ohm. So what we can do, we can simplify this like this. We can erase these two resistances. If we solve this 2 ohm parallel with 2 ohm, it will be half of it. Or let's solve this. So 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So this will be simply 1 ohm. So what we can do, we can erase this resistance because they both are in parallel. And here we can write 1 ohm. Now similarly, this 2 ohm parallel with this 2 ohm, so it will be 1 ohm again. So let's erase these two and write only 1 ohm. So it will be 1 ohm. Now here we can see 1 ohm series with 1 ohm. So this will be 2 ohm. Let's copy this circuit again. So it will be simply 1 ohm. It will be simply 2 ohm. Now this 2 ohm is in parallel with this 2 ohm. So again 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So it is simply 1 ohm. So therefore final answer is RAB is equal to 1 ohm. So this is how we can solve this problem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.